Hi everyone, this is Meela Vijay Pense and let's see what the month of July 2021 has in store for the sun sign Capricorn. For Capricorns, this is actually the month of the Midas touch because whatever you undertake in this month, whether personal or professional, is actually going to come down to a very wonderful fruition. So be very careful and mindful of what you wish for, what you do in this month, and in which projects you put your hand, whether personal life or professional life. See to it that be mindful of where you are sowing the seeds because for sure they are going to reap. Moving on to the space of your career, there is an absolute chance that you will have completed a project and you are actually going to be appreciated for it. At your place of work, if you are expecting any kind of a promotion or a raise, be sure that you are going to get it. It is a very wonderful month at your place of work. In fact, there are absolute chances that, let's say, if you're working in a company in India, you would be actually asked if you are interested or if you would be okay if you are being transferred abroad. So, traveling from one place to another due to work related reasons within the same company or even outside the company is an absolute possibility. But, any which ways, a promotion is going to come. You are absolutely going to grow fantastically in your or at your place of work. Your hard work is going to be appreciated and applauded, and hence you feel very nice about your career, about your profession, and you feel all that hard work was really worth it. So yes, it is a month of extreme beautiful satisfaction and a feeling of deep fulfillment in matters of your career and work. Moving on to the space of finances, the finances are going to improve very beautifully for this month. In fact, there is a chance that if you have invested somewhere, let's say in a second or a third option or an alternative, apart from your existing financial resources, you will see that your investments have started paying up. And they have actually started paying up very well, which makes you more financially stable and independent and even more prosperous. So things at your places of finances are also going to improve very greatly. You're going to be very pleased at the way your finances have started shaping up. Moving on to the area of relationships. Now, this is one area where the Capricorns really need to pay attention for the month of July 2021. There is a possibility that, amidst all this wonderful professional and financial happenings, there are certain things and certain issues in your relationships that you've not been paying attention to. You've been actually brushing them under the carpet, thinking things will settle down on their own. But it's high time that things be brought out of the carpet. It's high time that things be addressed on the table and you have a one-on-one talk with your partner or any family member if you feel that there is something wrong or the connection is lost and you feel something is missing within the relationship. While there is a tendency that you might not want to actually breach up the topic thinking why unnecessarily complicate things when I'm so happy on my professional and financial front, this move is actually necessary. So please do not delay it and use communication as an absolute effective tool in order to sort out your differences, and trust me, things will actually work out very fine. The way to work out around your differences in matters of relationship is actually not to go the traditional way, but find a little bit innovative and different ways of approaching the same problem. It would actually help. In matters of health also, things are very good. There is a chance that you might be paying attention towards a better and a healthy lifestyle. If in case you have still not joined or if you're not really much into exercise or any kind of an activity, it is advised that you at least adapt or adopt one activity which could prove physically, mentally and emotionally healthy to you once a day at least to maintain your optimum level of good health. Otherwise, no as such complications are seen in the matters of health for the Capricornians for this month. Just see to it for the women that you are a little bit attentive towards your menstrual cycles. If at all your menstrual cycles are irregular or there's some issue that is happening, please see to it that you go and consult a doctor. Otherwise, health for the Capricornians is absolutely fine towards the for the entire month of July. See to it that you get a restful sleep, because this month you're going to be brimming with a lot of activities and you're actually going to be so happy professionally and financially that it's going to keep you very mentally alert. So you might find a little bit difficulty sleeping at night. So see to it that you're well rested, see to it that you calm yourself down and don't overwhelm yourself with happiness. Yeah, balance is the key. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful and a peaceful month ahead.